Hi everyone, see you again. Welcome again to Imran Amami channel. Still with me, Imran here. I always try to do my best to all of you, my subscribers and followers, in the midst of my busy and routine works. And this time, I would like to share on how to create S-curve schedule with a special different from the previous one because I have perfected it with a Gantt chart which can change automatically if any change on the work duration on start and finish, so will the wake factor, and ultimately this will also affect on the shapes of the S-curve itself, which will also change automatically. Okay, now how to create work schedule and S-curve with spatial junction which can change automatically if any change in duration of the works on the start and finish, so will the wake factor, and ultimately this will also affect on the shape of the S-curve which will also change automatically. First thing that you have to do is, okay, put your cursor here, and then we will take the wake factor, the second wake factor I mean here, yes, spread all over in the space by space here, okay, and then we will use if function here, okay, and then we use combination function by using n, and then using parentheses here, and then take the cell here, start section, okay, and using the mark more using the mark less than and equal, and then from the cell here, okay, and then take this cell, yes, finish section, using mark more than and equal to this section, okay, and then using parentheses here, okay, and take this second wave vector here and using condition 0, yes, and using parentheses and then enter, okay. Why there is no avian here? Because the work starting from tomorrow 2019, while the section is only for the date 22nd of February 2019, okay, okay, and the wake vector should be start in the section tomorrow 2019, okay. Then we put to make itself remain unchanged, we should put dollar, yeah, we should put dollar, yes, we should put dollar in the front of the cells here, okay, uh, years, okay, and then this is put the dollar behind the cell, okay, yes, and this one, okay, then enter, okay, and then we should make a copy, yeah, copy all over the cells, okay, all over this area until March 30, yes, okay, okay, you see the wake vector starting from March 2019, and then make copy, yeah, make copy, yeah, make copy to down of all cells here, yes, yes, and enter, okay, yes, and we already spread wake factor, second wake factor, all over in the space by space in all sections here. Okay, now I will use the other font and more little font size, yes, but this is depend on your wish to use font and font type here. Okay, we block this area, this whole area here, okay, get down here, then choose the font, I will use bookmark all style here, okay, by using zigzags, okay, okay, and then I will create a Gantt chart. Yes, create Gantt chart here. I copy this formulation here, and then I block this area, this whole area. Yes, yes, down here. Okay, then choose conditional formatting and choose new rule, and then choose this section. Use a formula to determine which cells to format, and then pass the formulation that I copy in the earlier, and then choose format here, and choose the choose the color to fill the Gantt chart. Yes, I use this light blue colors here, and then click OK, and then click OK. Okay, you see, we find already Gantt chart with the light blue color. Okay, then we prepare to create S-curve. Okay, now we will create its S-curve. On how to create the S-curves, I explained already in my previous video. You could check video link that I provided in this video description. Okay, but I will re-explain it to you in this case. Okay, in the progress plan section, you should prepare some formulation here, starting from this cell until this cell, and for the other one, then press enter. Sorry, for the other one, you just copy the cell to all over specify space in the progress plan. Okay, and for accumulative progress plan, yes, you just prepare formulation by copy the cell. Okay, for the second cell, you multiplication the cell, yes, and with the cell, yes, okay, then press enter. Okay, and for the others, you just copy the cell, the second cell, to all over specify space in this accumulative progress plan section. And for progress actual, this shall be referred to your progress actual achieved on site. And for accumulative actual progress, you should prepare this formulation. For the first cell, you copy the cells, this progress actual cell, and then for the second one, you should multiplication this cell with this cell, then press enter. Okay, for the other one, you just copy the second cell to all over specify space. Okay, and for the variant, you should prepare formulation, the subtraction formulation. Yes, yes, this is subtraction between accumulative actual progress with accumulative progress plan, then press enter. Okay, and for the other one, you just copy the cell to all over specify phase in the variant section. Okay, then we prepare its S-curve. Okay, we will create its S-curve. Okay, first we should blocks the accumulative progress plan sections, yes, starting from the cell till this end cell, yes. Okay, sorry. Then choose insert, then choose line chart type here. Okay, then choose the first one. Okay, then click here. Okay, right clicking and choose format axis and change the maximum bound of this curve by 100. And okay, then we try to move this section to the right. Okay, so right clicking again and choose format axis, and then click levels and choose height. Yes, and this section already moved to the right. Okay, and then we will use no decimal. Yes, click number here and we change 2 by 0, okay, by 0, okay. Then we delete unnecessary item, this one, okay, and this one also, okay, okay. Then we will mix this line chart appear transparently, yes, okay, by choose this one, yes. In the fill section, choose no fill. In the border section, choose no line, okay. For the second one, in the fill section, choose no fill. In the border section, choose no line here, okay. And put the line inside this this line chart, yes. Click no line here, okay. And this line chart, this line chart or this S-curve already appear transparently, okay. Then sorry, then we set this S-curve in the space by space, in the specify space in this area, okay. Okay, sorry, okay, okay. And the final appearance of this S-curve shall be like this, okay, shall be like this. The blue line here is the accumulative progress plans, and the red line here is accumulative actual progress. the purple the purple line here is the actual progress, and the yellow one is the variance. Okay. Then we will check the Gantt chart, the weight vectors, and the shape of line curve or S curve will change automatically or not when we change in the duration of this work on start and finish. Okay, let's say. But before I do this, please check the before condition here. Okay, this one. Okay, this one here. Okay, please remember this one. Please remember this on this before condition. Okay. Okay. Let's say for this one. Yes, for this one. Yes. Okay. Okay. For the land clearing works, okay, these works shall be start not on 2 of March 2019, but shall be start on the 10 March 2019 here. Okay, please see the cell here. Yes, the cells refer to 2 of March here. Okay, and then I press enter here. Okay, okay, this bar chart change already and refer to the chart that notify to 10 of March as per change in the start of this work. Okay, and let's say this is shall be finished on March 30. Yes, okay, see this condition here. Okay, this is finished on March 20 before I make change on this finish section. Okay, let's say this work shall be finished on March 30. Sorry, let's check. And any change also in this duration. Yes, okay. And this bar chart change already and refer to March 30, 2019. Okay. Okay, let's check the other section. Yes. For the transportation material from storage to site. Okay, let's say this work shall be start on February 30, 2000 and sorry, March sorry 15 March, yeah, 15 March 2019. Okay, here. Okay, please see the cell. This is the before condition. Okay, and I press enter here. Okay, and the bar chart move already and refer to the March 15, 2019, and shall be finished to March 31. Yes, 31 here. March 31 here. Okay, please see this cell here. This is the before condition. Yes, and I press enter here. Okay. Okay, press enter here. Sorry. Yes. Mark 31. Mark 30. Yes. Mark 30. Okay. Okay. The bar chart change already. Yes, change already. And this is followed by something. Yes, something in the wave factor inside the bar chart. Okay. And this is any change on the S-curve also. Okay. 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 This is my explanations on how to create the work schedule S-curve with Gantt chart, wake vector, and S-curve that will change automatically. Yeah, when any change on work durations on start and finish. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. I was wondering if you would be able to subscribe, comment, and like, also share this video to others so they can take advantage of it also. Again, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.